Hey there, Workshop Whisperer fans. It's Rachel Sheldrick here, and I help auto repair shop owners to achieve business success. Today, I want to ask you about the financial position of your business, and I want to ask you the question: is your auto repair shop just a break-even business at best? What I mean by that is, after you receive all of your income in each month, you pay the team and you pay the bills, and maybe you take a little bit of money for yourself. Are you only just covering all of those expenses? If you're in fact pulling up short every month, then that indicates that you're making a loss. If you're only selling as much as what you need to cover off your expenses, then you're perhaps just making it to break even. If you're managing to pull out a profit, which is not your owner's salary necessarily, you should be paid a salary for the role that you have inside your business. So if you're still on the tools, you should be paid just like one of your technicians are. So you should be rewarded at the market rate for that, if not a little bit more, because you probably are the best employee in your business. But then on top of your salary, once a quarter or perhaps half yearly or yearly, depending on, what your accountant thinks and how you actually see your financial performance, you should also be taking a profit allocation. If you're not, and you never have, and you're not receiving a salary from your auto repair shop that is at least at the market rate, then perhaps you should reach out for a chat and we can discuss how you might be able to do that for your business. In Australia, we've got 1 month left of the financial year. In New Zealand, you're coming up to the end of your first quarter of your new financial year. And I want you to ask yourself, what are you going to do differently in order to achieve a different financial result, both for your business and for yourself personally and for your family in the coming 12 months. If you don't know how to get out of the rut that you're in, then please reach out to me. We can have a 15-minute phone chat. If you're not in my free Facebook group Under the Hood yet, make sure that you click the link that'll be in this post so you can get in there and join in on all the conversations relating to anything to do with your auto repair business. Alrighty, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you again soon.